Hi everyone, and welcome to week 12. So the week 12 information is kind of sparse because, so there's the overview. Basically what we're focusing on is this numeric data analysis. So back here, it's this page right there. So when you click on it, it's going to take you up to this numeric data analysis page. Now this is the stuff that you should really be focusing your time on. So start with the t-tests. So we already talked about the one sample a little bit last week. Well, now you'll actually get to do it in Minitab. And so what this does is just kind of go through the addition of the two sample independent and paired sample, and then this Minitab data of how to do it, and then the ANOVA for this. So basically, you're going to have to spend a lot of time going through that. And why? Well, because if you look here, you've got one homework assignment worth 30 points, and all of that, that's this one right here, is focused back on this stuff right here. So this t-test, one sample, two sample, independent and paired, that's all of the stuff you need for this assignment. So then you can see you've got a NOVA Minitab homework. So this one right here, everything for that is this line right through here. So that's basically all of it that you need. Then, moving right along, you can see you've got your Project 3 Minitab Analysis stuff. This is where you take what you learned in doing the homeworks, and then you actually apply it to your data that you collected back here last week. So you take that data, and then you get to analyze it and submit it. So here, you can actually see the information that you need. And once again, I refer you guys back to it, but your claim has to be appropriate for the test you're using. Knowing if your claim is the null or alternative, provide the complementary, what tail, what type of test, and why is this the correct type of test? What are the assumptions? Calculate the appropriate test statistic, and include the actual Minitab output. What is your test statistic, T or F, and p-value? Also include the mean for each store, and then state your final decision, and let me know if there's any follow-up analysis needed, if so, why, and explain your results. Also, if you collected sale prices along with the regular prices, you would probably want to compare that, and so basically just write me a little brief explanation above the claim, letting me know like these are the normal prices or these are the sale prices. And you might want to do, even though this is just one claim, if you've got those sale prices in there, you might want to go ahead and try to do the different claims. So claim 1, and then you do an additional claim, so claim 2, just to see. And then the other really big thing, also include the Minitab file. Why? Because honestly, it's just going to make my life a lot easier if you include this document in your file, because then I can just open up your data file, look at what you submitted here. So open up your Minitab file, then open up your document, and it'll just make me make my life a lot easier when I'm going through and checking all of your analysis and doing the grading. So that's that one. And then the only other thing for this week is, can you prove anything in statistics? So for this one, you just need to read the following articles, pick 1 to 2 things from each article that helped you better understand why you can't prove anything in statistics. Make sure to indicate the articles you're talking about when you discuss your findings, then list any questions, things you're not sure about, or your general thoughts in regards to why you can't prove anything in statistics. Follow-up posts, just provide feedback to your peers about what they wrote, especially their questions, things they aren't sure about, and their general thoughts. Can you help answer any of their questions? Do you have some of the same questions? So I hope this helps, and gosh, we're cruising in. If you just want to kind of look ahead, week 13, we're going to just jump right into your final project for 3. So this was kind of a quick project that we do. Most students seem to like it, and it's a pretty quick, easy one to write up, which is why it's also only worth 75 points, because it's normally not that bad to do. Then you'll also actually be sharing your results in this discussion, just so other students know what you found, because they didn't collect the data from your stores. So I know we're looking ahead. And then we're just going to jump right into Project 4 next week. So there's a lot of stuff going on, and I hope this helps.